guys, today I will be sharing the recipe for my better than anything chocolate cake. For this recipe you will need 1 container of Cool Whip or whipped topping, some chocolate chips and toffee bits, 1 box of chocolate cake mix, half a jar of caramel sauce, half a jar of hot fudge, and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. I'm going to start off by baking the cake according to the directions on the package. Once the cake is out of the oven, I'm going to let it cool for about only 5 minutes and then start poking holes into it with a wooden skewer, toothpick, or fork. While the cake is still warm, I'm going to pour in the entire can of sweetened condensed milk, making sure to fill in all of the holes I just made. Once that sets for about a minute, all of the condensed milk should have gone to the bottom of the cake. Next, I'm going to pour in about half a tub of the caramel sauce that we have, making sure to fill in all the holes as well. Caramel is also set for about a minute. Now I'm going to add in half a jar of the hot fudge, also making sure to get in all of the holes. All of these things we are adding will ensure that the cake stays moist. I'm going to put the cake into the refrigerator until it's completely cooled. What I've done here is spread the entire tub of whipped topping on top of the cake. I'm going to decorate the top of the cake with toffee bits and chocolate chips. Now I'm just going to drizzle the remaining hot fudge and caramel on top of the cake, and that is it. Please let me know if you try out this recipe in the comment section below.